Expect unsettled weather for the Labor Day weekend. Good Friday night, East Tennessee. David Aldrich, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see we've had a few pop-up showers and storms. Some of that moisture coming up from the south and east from the Smokies, Southern Valley, and landing into the valley itself. But most of these have been maybe quick movers. They have produced some locally heavy rain in red, but this won't last all night long. Still a spotty shower or storm possible. High temperature today came in at 91 degrees. That was my expectation. Forecast this morning was 91. Forecast yesterday for today was 91. We hit the mark. 86, the normal high for this time of year, the record from 1953, 98 degrees. Started off at 66 this morning. Now we hit 91 in Sevierville, 90 in Athens, only 89 though for Oak Ridge, Clinton, and Maryville, Alcoa, 82 for Crossville during the course of today. Still hot when you got Memphis, Nashville, and Knoxville all at 91 for high temperatures today. Think of tonight as a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Some spots of rain or storms may linger, but we have an abundance of clouds still streaming in from the west. Headlines: unsettled this Labor Day weekend. Locally heavy rain possible, and the trend, at least as I see it, may be the heaviest rain arrives on Monday, on Labor Day. And again, that's not good news if you're camping, for example. Excessive rainfall, at least a 5% chance in green. That covers Oak Ridge, Anderson County points west. Doesn't include Knoxville from the eyes of the Weather Prediction Center for tomorrow. But by the time we move into Sunday, well, we're all colored green, so isolated flash flooding on the table for Sunday. And when they come out with Monday, I suspect we're going to continue to see that threat linger. It may actually go from green, maybe over toward yellow. But isolated scattered flash flooding is what that category means, and it may mean it's mainly localized. So I'm expecting some rain. How much rain can we really expect? I saw some amounts this morning. It looked pretty high, but let me show you one example. We'll give you like two choices. You can tell me, I like it, better or worse, like an optometrist. But wait a minute, you're a meteorologist. Yeah, I'm going to use the better or worse language from the optometrist's office. Okay, is it better or worse that Oneida gets 2, maybe 3 inches in yellow? Scott County, maybe 1.5 inches in Wartburg. That's what this would suggest, not only through tonight, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and right into the wee hours of Tuesday morning. That's one scenario, that's one possibility. Here's another look. And again, where you see green suggests usually about 1 inch. There could be locally higher amounts. I suspect we're probably in that 1 to 2 plus with some 3-inch locally higher amounts. So there could be 1 to 2 for most. And I suspect over the 3-day period, maybe some 3-inch amounts. And that one little yellow patch west of Crossville would suggest closer to 3 inches by that account. Now, tracking the humidity. Oh, are we going to see that let up anytime soon? Not a chance. It's going to stay relatively high. High dew points makes the comfort level not so great. 8 o'clock Sunday, still very humid. 5 o'clock Sunday afternoon, not much change. It's still stuffy, as my arrow would suggest. That's Labor Day itself. By 5 o'clock Monday, still pretty humid. We're going to have a hard time getting out of the stickies heading into the next couple of days. By the way, it is noteworthy at 3 o'clock today, our first hurricane of the season came to life. Her name is Danielle. But because it's like out in the middle of the forest and no one's there, like the tree that falls, out of sight, out of mind, I like to say, but was doing a little dance. I like to think of it as a square dance, maybe like a circle dance. A circle dance makes sense. Category 1 hurricane, just kind of dance in a circle. And do-si-do, head on back out to sea, not a problem. This is like the perfect hurricane season. When you got storms out in the middle of the Atlantic, the only ones interested are those shipping interests that have to pass by. Tracking the tropics, we've got another disturbance now approaching just north of the Windward Islands. That may also come to pass. That would become Earl the Pearl, potentially, just Earl. I added the Pearl. But you'll notice that the spaghetti plots, which you can access on the Captain Accurate Weather app, mostly take it back out to sea. Maybe 1 or 2 now trending toward the mainland. We'll be watching this closely. So Earl is, in fact, the next name on the on-deck circle for my baseball fans. We've gone through Alex, Bonnie, Colin was kind of a ho-hum, and Danielle dancing in a circle. Maybe that's how she'll be remembered. By the way, as far as what we're seeing, this weather report brought to you by Insta-Dry. Waterproof your basement and attack that mold. If you get a lot of water in your basement this weekend, you might want to write down this phone number, 865-312-2626 for a free estimate. Kevin Jardet is a huge fan of Captain Accurate. He also does the basement waterproofing, crawl space encapsulation. He even does foundation repair. He's got over 3 decades experience in this field. He can be a great resource to you. Tell him Captain Accurate sent you. But he has a link, instadry.com, at the top of this post, so that may be of help to you. He also has dozens of short videos which you can access at his website anytime you want, anytime, day or night. His full display of his knowledge can be seen in some of those videos. Awesome. Awesome. By the way, a couple of showers still lingering across the area tonight, but those too should fade shortly after the sun goes down completely, which really has essentially already gone down at 8:02. But notice we have some of these circles. These are the damage reports over the last 24 hours. Areas in places like Missouri has had some flooding. In Kansas, they've had some wind damage. A report of a roof being blown off a building, not good, with winds there in Dodge City, which appears to be Ford County, Kansas. So some damage has occurred. I suspect the flooding concern, localized, may be a problem for us heading forward through the next 3 days. Meanwhile, take a look at the futurecast. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, a couple of showers from the Southern Valley move up. By 12 noon, it may ebb and flow, but it'll come back. It'll come back. We've got this low that's parked around Arkansas and Mississippi. Got another front to the north and west of St. Louis. It's a squeeze play, and this play is going to continue more rain for us. If not on Saturday, on Sunday, it'll fill back in and right into Monday itself. So I think we're going to be dealing with some locally heavy rain. If not here, perhaps in some of the neighboring counties around East Tennessee. So be mindful. You may find some big puddles in the near future. Tonight we're down to 69. More clouds, spotty showers and storms, winds light and variable. 66 for a low in Oneida, Middlesboro. 69 Morristown, Talbot, White Pine, and Russellville, and 70 for a low in Maryville, Alcoa tonight. Looking for Saturday's high, 83 degrees, clouds, hazy sun, showers and storms, winds about 3 to 8 miles per hour. Shouldn't make it out of the mid-80s for Newport, upper 70s for Crossville, about 79 for Oneida, 78 Wartburg, 82 for Athens for your Saturday afternoon highs. Here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville and East Tennessee. 82 on Sunday. It kind of moved up a few degrees because we could see potential a little bit of sun there on Sunday. But if we build to that crescendo on Sunday into Monday, Monday being the coolest day, 77 degrees, soggy at times, and then we stay unsettled again. Tuesday through Friday, especially 60% Wednesday and Thursday. Now, you can keep track of it all using the Captain Accurate weather app. Now, with Pete Michaels Traffic, it's free. Just go to the App Store, Google Play. Keep you and your family safe. It's just search Captain Accurate at the App Store and Google Play. You get the weather alerts, and if there's any flash flooding concerned in your town, you'll be notified in immediate, as soon as it's issued by the National Weather Service. Well, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.